In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook marketing with your Klaviyo email campaigns. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, understanding how to merge these two powerful platforms seamlessly can help you enhance your marketing strategies. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can harness the power of both Klaviyo and Facebook to better reach your audience. Firstly, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Klaviyo, it's a robust platform that allows you to manage email campaigns effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations section. This is where Klaviyo allows you to connect with other platforms to streamline your marketing efforts. After you're in the Integrations section, scan through the list to find and select Meta Ads. In case you're wondering, Meta Ads refers to the ad services for Facebook and Instagram, which have now been unified under the Meta umbrella. This integration allows you to target your email subscribers through Facebook ads, creating a cohesive experience for them. Once you've selected Meta Ads, click on the Install button. This action will initiate the integration process. At this point, you might receive a prompt to ensure that you wish to proceed. Rest assured, this step is necessary for linking the two platforms. Next, click on Connect to Meta Ads. This will direct you to log into your Meta, formerly known as Facebook business account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and ensure that the account you're connecting has the necessary permissions to manage ads. This is crucial because mismatched permissions might prevent you from completing the setup. After you're logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your ad account, business manager, and Facebook page. It's important here to select the correct options that are aligned with your current marketing strategy. If you have multiple accounts or pages, double-check to ensure you're connecting the right ones for a seamless experience. Finally, once you've carefully made your selections, hit the Save button. This action secures all the settings you've chosen and finalizes the integration process. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Facebook marketing with your Klaviyo email campaigns. Now, with these platforms working together, you have the ability to reach your audience in a more dynamic way. By leveraging both email and social media advertising, you'll not only enhance your brand presence, but also improve the overall efficacy of your marketing campaigns. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Remember, successful marketing is all about effective integration and strategic outreach. Thanks for watching and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.